Hello and welcome back. Today I'm recreating Taylor Swift's makeup from the Midnight's album cover. Starting out with a soft, warm brown through the crease. I didn't have a good matte navy shade, so I went with this metallic one. It's just to add depth in the outer corner. Switch to a softer brush for a smoother blend. This gray blue was an exact color match in person. On camera, it's pulling a little more on the gray side. Softening up any harsh edges. Using the highlight shade from this palette on the brow bone. Onto the other eye. This look is so easy. It's 3 eyeshadows and a wing liner. That is the hardest part of the whole look. Drop your favorite Midnight song in the comments. Mine is Maroon and Would've, Could've, Should've. Let's be honest, it's all of the song's law. Time for the winged eyeliner. This is the hardest part. I'm not even sure if I was breathing while doing it. To do the wing, I follow the line down from the tail of my brow to the corner of my eye. Then I make a little triangle and fill it in. I don't want a huge wing, so I go around halfway up. Prime your face before base makeup? Yes, it makes a difference in how long your make lasts and how smooth it goes on. Concealing the under eyes and anywhere else I want extra coverage. If you mess up the edge of your liner, this is a good time to sharpen the line with concealer. Evening out the rest of my base with a mix of e.l.f. Halo Glow mixed into my foundation. Blend out any creases, then set your base. Framing the lash line with the lid shadow. Bronzing up the perimeter of my face. Shadows and highlights are important in makeup. Without them, your face looks flat. Adding a bunch of blush. In the photo, her blush looks like it's on the apple of her cheek, but that's not flattering on my face shape. It's hard to tell if she has on highlight or not, but I added it anyway. I love highlight. Melting the powders. Filling in the brows. Brow wax to keep them set in place all day. Lining and tight lining. I can't tell if she has on waterline eyeliner, so I added it anyway. Since there's a wing, it ties it all together. I used a different mascara, and guess what happens? I hit my under eye with the mascara wand and messed up my makeup. Disrespectful. I used 2 lip crayons to get the right almost orange tone lip she's wearing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.